US stock indices have calmed down a bit after yesterday's volatility, but now they're waiting for the US Federal Reserve's FOMC to make its rate announcement. Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello, I'm David and this is Trading Today. Yes, today is the day that the Federal Reserve's FOMC make their rate decision and announcement. Now, looking at the CME's FedWatch tool, which looks at the Fed funds futures market where real money goes, the probability of a 25 basis point rate hike tonight is at 86%, basically nailed on. You don't expect the Federal Reserve to come away from something like that and decide not to raise rates or to raise rates by even more than that. They just don't want to do that. But what is interesting is what its future projections are. All the way through this cycle, the Federal Reserve have been cautious, and they have been increasingly saying, as the months have gone in 2023, that they see no rate cuts probable in 2023. That is not what the Fed funds futures market is saying. They expect the rates to be back down to about 4.75 by the end by the December meeting or after the December meeting. That suggests that if we do get a 25 basis points cut tonight, rate hike tonight, we'll see 50 points cuts later down the line. Now, the Fed has an awful lot to consider. It's not just inflation. Bear in mind, inflation, as far as headline CPI is concerned, has come down from plus 9.1% last summer to around 6% now. But core PCE, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, which excludes food and energy, is proving very sticky. In fact, it went up last month. And added to that, the employment data is very strong. Put that together, the Federal Reserve still has every right to be worried about inflation ticking up again further down the line. The other side to that is, of course, recession concerns. These have been building and you could see really how the rapid rate of rate increases has played into that. Look at the havoc it's caused to the regional banking sector in the US. We saw these collapses last month of a number of US banks. We've just seen the rescue of First Republic by JP Morgan at the beginning of this week. So it's all happening out there, and in fact there is a lot of nervousness about that. So the Fed has got to keep that in mind as well. So what's going to be important tonight? Not the rate hike, that's all priced in. It's what the statement has in it, and also what Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell says at his subsequent press conference. If there's any indication of a pause, that should be positive, but will it be enough to drive risk assets higher? We shall see. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful and helpful. If you did, please like and follow, and best of luck with your trading. Goodbye.